Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Calendly to N8N step by step. Step 1. Open your Calendly account and go to Integrations tab. Step 2. Generate a personal access token by clicking on API and webhooks. Step 3. Copy the token and save it somewhere safe. Step 4. Go to N8N and start a new workflow. Step 5. Add an HTTP request node and choose GET as the method. Step 6. Set the URL to this one or any relevant Calendly endpoint. And step 7. In the headers, add this one, authorization, bearer, your token here. And step 8. Execute the node to test if Calendly is successfully connected. Now you can start using Calendly data in your automations. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.